Originally built in 1940 by a World War I veteran, this cabin has been completely transformed into a modern-day dream. No stone has been unturned in the design of the complete renovation of this charming mountain cabin. I'm Claudine Phillips with the Phillips team at Keller Williams Foothills Realty, and it truly is an honor to take you on a tour of one of Evergreen's finest pieces of history. Come on inside with me. Upon entering, the warm welcome of the sunroom sets the tone of what this cabin was created for: escape and relaxation. 6744 Marshmerry Lane boasts an open floor plan with a designer's touch. The main living area with peaked wooden ceilings and rustic hand-hewn pine beams centers around the original wood-burning granite stone fireplace. The living area opens to the completely renovated kitchen featuring marble and butcher block counters, gas range, farmhouse sink, and a stainless steel refrigerator. Tucked away under vaulted wood ceilings, the master bedroom is flooded with plenty of natural light. The brand new TREX deck just off the master bedroom is ideal for your morning java. This cozy cabin also has a second bedroom with a well-appointed bathroom. And just when you thought you've seen it all, the detached cabin creates a sanctuary for the aspiring artist and for those who are working from home. Now is the time to own a piece of Evergreen's finest history. For more information on this property or to schedule an appointment, reach out to us at phillipsteamco.com.